Hello, and this is 10:45-ish on the 3rd of January, and this is going to be the snow for this weekend and next week. If you take a look, it says we're going to get 6/10 of an inch Thursday night. If I go to hourly, and this is AccuWeather Pro, this is the site you guys help fund for me to have through like my birthday next year, end of November, beginning of December. Okay, so Thursday, where's the snow? Looks like 7 p.m. we're supposed to get a tenth, another tenth at 9, another, actually it looks like 100th, and 100th, and 100th, and 100th, and 100th. So this one actually says 5/10 of an inch, or half an inch, which is 5/10. So half an inch of snow. Let's see if we have anything in the next 24 hours. There's 1/10 of an inch there. So 5 o'clock in the morning. If we were to get that, let's take a look at temperatures. Thursday, let's see, today's rain, 48. That's going to warm up the earth tonight. It's going to stay warm. Tomorrow, it'll get colder at night, but warm during the day. Then Thursday, I don't know. I walked on the earth yesterday. I didn't really walk this morning, but it still felt pretty squishy. So I'm not sure it's going to hit a warm earth or a cold earth. But it's looking like it's going to be warm, which is not going to do much for a minuscule half an inch of snow. So let's go look at some models. This is the GFS. That's not what I want. Explain those later. This is the GFS. This is snow depth anomaly, and starting on Tuesday, which is today at 0 hours. If you watch this, you can watch the change. Remember, these are Zulus, so we have to take like 5 hours away from it. So here we are. Really good snow amounts, oranges, well into the almost 3 feet and even maybe higher. But these are the mountains, and you can see we have nothing close to us. We are getting some lake effect snow, so New York's getting some. And it's still on, this is on the ground, so you can watch this storm approach. There it is right there. Looks like it's getting close to us. And if I keep going, we got some grays, so there's the half inch that GFS is actually seeing. And what I was hoping, you see this storm coming out, it's actually north of Texas, so Oklahoma-ish. And I really thought this one was going to be nice, but as you can see, it passes south of us. Our best storms come from the south. Like if it starts snowing in Richmond before it snows here, those are our best storms. But this actually goes even south of Richmond. And then if we go out even farther, there's some hope maybe Thursday-ish next week. And now that looks like, just even over the last hour, it looks like it's actually kind of just staying in the mountains of West Virginia. And there's one for Sunday, the 15th. Looks like it stays north of us. And then there's nothing else. If I look at the North American, the North American only makes it at 84 hours. It actually says we're going to get a little bit of snow there for Thursday, Friday, and again it looks like half inch. And then if I go to my pro site, this is the NAM. 84 hours doesn't really show anything for us. Mountains of West Virginia. This is the GFS. This is the old scale. And it doesn't show Thursday any real snow for us. Stays west. And there's that big swooshing storm. And then for Thursday next week, it looks like it stays kind of north of us. And then if I look at the new GFS, snow on the ground at 10-to-1 ratio, it actually has for Tuesday next week, where's the Thursday storm? Thursday stays up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm looking right here. And then it has this other storm for, looks like Friday into Saturday, showing, looks like half an inch. And then here comes the nice storm, which stays south of us. And if I keep going, Next week, it actually says it approaches us for the Wednesday, Thursday storm. It approaches us, but again, it stays west. So it looks like we get one passing south and two actually not really making over the Appalachian Mountains coming from the west. So it does not bode well for snow. If I go to AccuWeather and we actually do the 90-day forecast, it really does not look like it's going to be a much snowy winter all the way through the 17th. So going about 2 weeks into advance, really nothing. There's a couple half-inch storms which look like those are going to peter out too. Okay, sorry for the bad news, but that's the way the ball bounces. Bye.